Hey, y'all, hope you're having a great day today. I'm up here in Noblesville, up here in Lennar Homes. We're going to take a tour of this Kingston Mile on Brooks Farm. Come on, let's go. As you can see, this property is really awesome. It's just fresh and clean is what the words that come to mind on this. If you have any questions about this property or anything of Lennar, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My name's Landon and I'm your local real estate expert here in Central Indiana. My contact number is area code 260-573-6316. I hope you make it a great day.